how to log in Instagram account in laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your Instagram account or using your laptop. So first thing first, simply head over to your official Instagram website, that is www.instagram.com, and once you're inside here you will be seeing such interface where you will be asked to enter your phone number or username or Gmail email. So once you enter either of those, you will be asked to enter your password and make sure it's correct. So you can see in this example below here, and once you enter all of your phone number or username and password, simply click on login, or you will also get the option to log in with your Facebook. If you don't have your account, you can simply create one by using this button over here, sign up. So since we are talking about logging in, you simply click on logging in. After entering your correct detail, make sure your details are correct, and once you enter those, you will be successfully logged into your account. And once you successfully install log in your account, you will be redirected to your home page of your Instagram. So that is exactly how you log in your Instagram account using laptop. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.